For the ingredients, you're using blended onions, all-purpose flour, grated nut milk powder, baking powder. For the filling, you're using onions, grated carrots, and ezeta beef. And then for the pie, actually, you did need butter, of course. So I'm starting off by pouring the flour into a bowl. I'm going to add the nut milk powder, baking powder, and then incorporate it with my hand. And then I'm gonna take some butter and then add it, and make sure I incorporate it very well. Initially with my palms, and then I try to incorporate it with my finger. And then I'm adding some blended onions. I'm going to incorporate everything very well, to form a little ball or something like that. You can add flour from time to time if it's too sticky, and you don't want it too hard too, so you want it to be in a very nice round ball shape. Not too hard, not too soft. So you roll it into a ball in a way, and then you cover it with a napkin or a food wrap and let it rest for about 30 minutes. So for the filling, I want to take some of the ezeta beef and then add some grated carrots to it. Some chopped onions. And then I mix it very well, thoroughly. Now we can add some, you can just adjust them, the filling, the onions and all that from time to time to the preference. So after 30 minutes, you can, try to knead it some more, and then try to divide the dough into smaller pieces, like how you want to roll out your dough. You kind of put it in those sizes. So if you want it big, you have to make the balls a little bit bigger. Then you flour your surface, try to pinch it down, flour your rolling pin, and try to work your way out. When it's flat enough, not too flat though, you add your fillings. Try to pinch to get out all the air, and then you use a fork to kind of stamp on it. Now you have to go down, more down than I went actually. Then you cut the edges. You want to batter your pan. then you arrange your pie in your pan, and then you brush the top with some milk or egg whites. But then I like milk. I like the milk. If you have egg white, you can use that one. This serves as somehow like indicator to tell you that your pie is done. And wow, there you have your pie. Very beautiful.